Have you ever failed at something so badly that you wanted to quit? Maybe you failed an exam. Maybe you lost a job. Maybe your dream didn't come true. If that has ever happened to you, then don't skip this story. Because today, I want to tell you about a broken sword. Everyone thought it was useless. Everyone believed its time was over. But they were all wrong. By the end of this story, you may look at your own failures in a completely different way. Many years ago, there was a peaceful village called Ashbourne. It was surrounded by green hills, tall trees, and a clear river that shined under the morning sun. Flowers grew along the roads, birds sang every day, and the people were known for being kind, honest, and hard-working. At the edge of the village stood a small blacksmith's workshop. The old blacksmith who worked there was famous across the kingdom. Kings and knights traveled long distances to buy his strong and beautiful swords. Inside the workshop, shiny swords covered the walls. Every blade looked perfect. But in one dark corner rested a single broken sword. Its blade was cracked. Its edge was chipped. Its handle was old and worn. One afternoon, a traveler entered the workshop. As he admired the swords, he noticed the broken one. He looked at the blacksmith and asked, "Master, why do you keep this broken sword? It has no value." The old blacksmith smiled and gently picked it up. "You see a broken sword," he said. "I see the bravest sword I have ever made." The traveler looked surprised. The blacksmith invited him to sit and began his story. Many years ago, this sword belonged to a knight named Sir Alden. He was not famous because he was the strongest warrior. People respected him because he always protected the weak and never ran from danger. One day, a powerful enemy army attacked the kingdom. They had more soldiers and better weapons. Many people lost hope, but Sir Alden stood firm. Holding this very sword, he led his soldiers into battle. The fight lasted from sunrise until sunset. Every strike left new marks on the blade. Then, during the final battle, the enemy commander attacked with a huge axe. Sir Alden raised his sword to block the blow. A loud crack filled the air. The sword broke. The enemy laughed. "Now, you cannot win." But Sir Alden did not throw the sword away. He held the broken blade tighter and kept fighting. When the other soldiers saw their leader refusing to give up, they found new courage. Together, they pushed the enemy back and saved the kingdom. After the battle, Sir Alden returned to this workshop. He placed the broken sword on my table and said, "I'm sorry. I broke your finest sword." I smiled and told him, "You didn't ruin it. You gave it a story." The traveler listened quietly. Then he asked, "If this sword is so special, why don't you repair it?" The blacksmith gently touched the crack. "Because this crack reminds people that even the strongest can fail. What matters is not staying perfect. What matters is having the courage to keep going." Years later, a young man named Elias came to learn blacksmithing. Every sword he made broke. He wanted to quit. The old blacksmith showed him the broken sword and said, "I also failed many times before I made a great sword. Every broken blade taught me something." Those words changed Elias. He kept practicing, learning from every mistake. Years later, he became one of the greatest blacksmiths in the kingdom. Before the old blacksmith passed away, he gave his students one final lesson. "Never hide this sword," he said. Place it where everyone can see. People admire success, but they must remember that success is built on failure. The students followed his wish. The broken sword remained in the center of the workshop. Travelers came from far away just to hear its story. Many arrived feeling defeated, but they left with hope. The sword was never repaired. Its crack remained forever. But that crack became its greatest strength. It reminded everyone that failure is never the end. Giving up is. Every successful person has failed. Your mistakes do not define you. They teach you, strengthen you, and prepare you for success. Like the broken sword, your greatest strength may come from the challenges you have survived.